We have a nice geometry problem here. We have a right angle triangle with perimeter 24 meter and area of 24 meters square. So we have to find the value of the three sides A, B and C. From the Pythagoras theorem, we know that the hypotenuse square equals perpendicular side square plus base square. So we can write A square plus B square equals C square. Can give equation number 1, and the area of the triangle is given, so we can write area formula half times base is B times perpendicular side is A equals 24. Then we can arrange and write AB equals 24 times 2 or AB equals 48. We can give this one as equation number 2. Again, the perimeter is given, so we can write A plus B plus C equals 24. From here we can write A plus B equals 24 minus C. We can give this one as equation number 3, and we can square both sides and we can write A plus B whole square equals 24 minus C whole square. Then we can write A square plus 2AB plus B square equals 24 square minus 2 into 24 into C plus C square. Then we can write A square plus B square plus 2AB equals 24 times 24 is 576 minus 48C plus C square. But for A square plus B square, we can write this one as C square from equation 1. So we can write C square plus 2AB equals 576 minus 48C plus C square. We can cancel C square for both sides and we can write 2AB equals 576 minus 48C. But the value of AB is given, which is 48 from equation number 2. So we can put the value of AB and we can write 2 times 48 equals 576 minus 48C. Then we get 96 equals 576 minus 48C. Then we can write 48C equals 576 minus 96. So we get 48C equals 480. So we get C as 480 divided by 48, or the value of C is 10. So we got the value of hypotenuse as 10 meter. So next we will put the value of C, and from equation 3 we'll get the value of A. So we get A plus B equals 24 minus C, which is 10, or we get A plus B equals 14. From here we can write A equals 14 minus B, which is equation number 4. So we get the value of A from equation 4 and C as 10. So we can put these two values in equation number 1, which is A square plus B square equals C square. So we get A square as 14 minus B whole square plus B square, and C square is 10 square. So from here we get 14 square minus 2 into 14 into B plus B square plus B square equals 100. We get 2 B square minus 28B plus 14 times 14 equals 196 minus 100 equals 0, or we get 2 B square minus 28B plus 96 equals 0. If we take 2 out of the bracket, we get 2 B square minus 14B plus 48 equals 0, or we get B square minus 14B plus 48 equals 0. If we divide both sides by 2, then from here we can write B square minus 8B minus 6B plus 48 equals 0. So if we take B as common term, we write B times B minus 8, and if we take 6 from here, we can write minus 6 equals B minus 8 equals 0. From here we get B minus 8 times B minus 6 equals 0. So the value of B equals 8, and another value of B equals 6. So these are the two values of B, which is the value of base. So first value is B equals 8 meter, and the second value of base is 6 meter. So if we put these two values and the value of C in, or if we put the value of B in equation number 4, we get the two values of A. So when B equals 8, we get from equation number 3 A equals 14 minus 8 as 6. When Again, when b equals 6, we get from equation number 3, a equals 14 minus 6 equals 8. So the value of a is 6 and a equals 8. So this is the value of the perpendicular side of the triangle. So we got all three values a, b and c for the triangle. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video.